Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalia, your health and fitness coach, and today in this video I will show you what I eat, my big portions to lose weight or maintain my weight. And I will share with you my secrets, what I eat and how I eat, and my simple approach. But works only for me, so I don't know, you always listen to your body and do what your body tells you. My body tells me eat a lot, but I'm not eating breakfast. I have 2 big meals and 1 snack between. So let's go through it. So now it's time to eat lunch. All right, let's start. So now I will prepare lunch, and you will ask me, like, how that possible to eat more and lose weight? But I will show you what I'm using, all the ingredients, and how I prepare and how I make my meals. And we'll start with salad. For me, important is volume. I eat lots of salad. Different today, I decided I want this salad. It's mix. It's a salad mix. 100% fresh. How much? I think that's enough. I add capsicum, cucumber, onion, tomato, and carrot. And now make a beautiful salad. All together. Look at the colors. I like carrot as well. Nice. Already like it. I can eat it like this, but still need to prepare other things as well. How do you like it? Good, right? Very simple. Not much work. Avocado. I'm going to use only quarter of avocado because you know avocado is high in calories. So I just use only quarter. Healthy fats. Avocado. Those seeds so healthy, you should add to anything, smoothies, salads. I always add to the salad just 2 spoons. You know what you can get here? Protein, you can get here magnesium, iron, omega-3, and other things. Like, it's so good for your health. And so you start eating, you probably will, you know, tell me, thank you, Natalia, it was really yummy. It's not only healthy, it's also yummy in the salad. All right, let's go. Let me show you how I will add to the salad. Simple, very simple. Just like this. Salad is ready. For my dressing, I used to add olive oil, and it's so healthy, yummy, you know, olive oil, lemon and salt, you don't need nothing else. But I learned how to have my salad without olive oil because I have already healthy fats, avocado, and olive, it's extra calories here, so I don't want. So what I do, I just add lemon, I squeeze half of lemon. Oh, yummy. And add salt, that's it. Some of people looking at me on streams or wherever I eat, I said, Natalia, you don't need dressing. I said, look at this salad. It's so yummy, just like this. You don't need any dressing here. Honestly, hemp seeds on top of it make it even better. Try. Perfect. Salad and my protein. Yesterday, I prepared chicken and roasted veggies. So now I need to just put in microwave for maybe 2-3 minutes and ready to go. Looks beautiful, right? Chicken, veggies, salad. Most important for me in my diet, it's protein. Protein, lots of protein keeps me full for longer. So here around 40-45 grams of protein, all the veggies, fiber and salad. And the salad, as I told you, here's avocado, healthy fats. But I nearly forgot, I have one more healthy fats. It's more nuts. I bought it a few days ago and said, yeah, I have to add to my salad, like a little bit. Healthy fats. So, fiber, healthy fats, protein, and if I want bread, I can have it, but not today. This is volume enough for me to keep me full for 5 hours, till my dinner 6 p.m. And now you will ask me, how can you eat so much food and still lose weight? And you know what? It all comes down to creating a calorie deficit, but doing it right way. I focus on quality food, not starving myself. I eat food that are nutrient dense, keep me full, and give me the energy I need to work out and stay active. I've learned that when I focus on whole, natural foods like lean protein, veggies, and healthy fats, I can eat larger portions and still stay with my calorie deficit. Feels good. After a good, huge meal, I feel amazing. So I'm not craving. But if I want to eat something sweet, or usually I crave for maybe dark chocolate or chia seeds pudding, because I already prepared and I show you how I prepare myself, because sometimes like in afternoon I want to eat something sweet. So let me show you my treat. Nice. Look at my meal prep. Everything is here. That's my treat. This is my high protein chia seeds pudding. I did it on my stream other day, so you can check it out, the calories and protein. So because of protein powder and chia seeds, it's around 30 grams of protein. So, but I will eat only half. And add some fruits as well. Okay, let's create beauty. I save for later. And this is my high protein snack. When I'm craving for some sweets, I make sure there is the protein in my snack. Should we try? We should. All right. Let's see. That's the one. When you're craving and instead of eating chocolate, useless chocolate without protein, you can eat something healthy. Very yummy. Nutritious, yummy, healthy. I know what you're thinking. How can you eat so much and not feel guilty? The trick is learning portion control and managing cravings. I still get to enjoy my favorite foods, like burgers or chocolate, but in moderation. And I focus on smart swaps. For example, choosing lean cuts of meat or going for air-popped popcorn instead of chips when I want a snack. It's all about balance and making smart choices. What about dinner? What I will have for dinner? I'm well prepared. Let's go. All right. What's for dinner? Over here, quinoa and salmon. I will have the same salad and salmon. So I'm not going to eat it now, I just show you, so it's everything there. So it's cooked yesterday, salmon, 170 grams and 120 grams of quinoa. So that's my dinner. And of course salad, same salad. And more chicken for tomorrow. And more chia seeds. And green juice. That's me. And that's it. I eat a lot, enjoy my food, and still lose weight. Or maintain my weight, depends on my goals. As you see, all the meals had protein. Chicken, protein, fish, protein, and my chia seeds pudding also protein, because they're protein powder and chia seeds. And that's very simple. I choose right ingredients, I choose right foods for me, for my body to fill me, and I'm not craving. If I'm craving, I have a protein shake, I have smoothie, I have this pudding, anything with protein. That's the secret. And of course, all this food makes me feel amazing, energized, and I'm not suffering from under-eating. I eat enough. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. And don't forget to comment under this video, what is your biggest goal? If your goal is weight loss, how you manage your weight loss, how you manage to eat and what you eat. I will be happy to talk to you in the comments below. And I will see you soon.